Well, my grandfather came from the Ukraine in early 30s. So we're the third generation, I guess. I really feel our forefathers had a greater respect for the land. They knew how powerful nature could be. And I still think today that, with all the technology and equipment, we feel we can overcome Mother Nature. I feel that's a fallacy. Mother Nature bats last every time. We're trying to work with nature, treat her as our ally rather than our enemy. I've always considered myself a bit of a naturalist, conservationist. I guess by a conservationist, I mean we need to manage so future generations can enjoy what we enjoy. The only cultivation we have is the garden.
I really enjoy all of the animals. Nothing like seeing little fawn run. The ruffed grouse, hearing them right by our house. You have to stop and just listen to them. Sometimes it just catches you and you kind of think, wow, that is good. I've always been an animal lover. I liked raising the kids with the animals. The ranching lifestyle has been good for us. It's been good to raise our family with. Dean and I have been married 35 years this year. We run a little under 300 head.
We try to manage our grazing as best we can, keep the cattle migrating around to different fields, which is what creates topsoil. It's very sustainable. We're basing our future on sunlight and rain, two free gifts, and the cows are basically a tool to improve the land.
Dean and Rita have been working with Ducks Unlimited a long time, long before me, with some of the other staff 25 years ago or better.
That was back in the mid-'80s. Ducks Unlimited approached us about a delayed hay cut program till after the middle of July, and they paid you so much per acre. And I thought, well, why not? Because some of the hay cutting's delayed till then anyway.
We've had various programs with the Tavances over the years, and now one program has turned into another program, has turned into another program.
2 years ago, my brother Doug wanted to scale down his ranching operation, and I suggest maybe we approach Ducks Unlimited.
Recently, we're able to help them with conservation easements to add another 4 quarters to their ranch.
So we've done some conservation easements on our land that we already owned, some deeded land, like native prairie, wetlands. It was kind of in lieu of trade for this land, and these easements are into perpetuity. It's a native prairie will never be broke, and even if it doesn't stay in the family, it gives me peace of mind to see it stay in a natural state.
The conservation easements has been a good, positive move. We've worked hard to get where we are, and it would be a shame to see it go under the plow.
Really helped us acquire more land, sustain our ranching operation without going into debt.
Without the cooperation of landowners like Dean and Rita, our programs can't go anywhere. Being able to have good relations and programs that work for both parties is real important to our success, and hopefully can be important to their success.
It so parallels my management system that it just, I can't lose with it. I've got everything to gain, nothing to lose. I mean, I can graze the land, I can hay the land.
Just working with Ducks Unlimited has been all positive. All of them have been super to work with.
I've never had them approach me about any restrictions at all. Yeah, it's just been great. I mean, I'm of the opinion that there should be many more organizations like them.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.